Welcome to the Pitsia IT Services and Solutions. Today we will discuss related of the SAP service tools. In these service tools we will cover SAP STPI and SAP STAPI. So both are the similar name and almost work of both the component are the same. So before going to starting and upgrading related these things, I want to share some important information with you. Might be you start the channel beside you read the name like Pitsia IT and then the bracket we have mentioned formally known as Share Knowledge SAP. Before this channel, we had a very popular channel of the SAP videos which name was Share Knowledge SAP. Might be you were aware or not, but unfortunately, since last 5 months, our channel has been discontinued. And for this issue, we have already raised a concern regarding YouTube, but still we didn't receive any official update from the YouTube, and then we decided to move on the new channel. So now we had started our new channel which the name of is Pitsia IT, which is the old one was Share Knowledge SAP. So on the Share Knowledge SAP we had a lots of viewers and we had a good repo on the YouTube and in the SAP channel. Even we received a lots of positive vibes from the our viewers, but unfortunately all the videos we lost. So now we are going to again to start all the videos. In the old channel we had almost 150 plus video. In the all the videos we almost have a different topics like SAP basis we covered, SAP installation, kernel upgradation, spam and send, and lots of tricks. Also we uploaded SAP BW videos, PM videos. So now we are again going to start whatever video we received from the YouTube after verification, we will upload on this channel. So now onward, Pitsia IT is the new address of Share Knowledge SAP. So now we will come on our main topic. Today we'll discuss on the mentioned point. First point will check the components. So might be if you are a basis person and if you are an experienced consultant in the SAP, then definitely you are aware how to check the component. But for the basic or might be the people who are not very keen or not experienced, then might be they don't aware. And the second point will cover up what is STPI. Third one we will cover what is STAPI, means almost both are the similar. Then what is the use, means what is the use of this service tool plugins. Then we'll cover how to know which version you have to go. Then we'll cover up in the spam and send, and the last how to update. So now we are come on our main topic related upgradation of the service tools. So first topic will cover how to check component version. So this is the very basic thing. If you are aware or might be if you are experienced person, then definitely either you are a functional consultant or technical consultant. But how to check component version, everyone can check. But if you are a fresher or might be not aware about consultant means SAP related things, then might be you are not aware. So I am just showing how to check any component version in the SAP system. So first you have to go to the system tab, then you have to go to the status tab. Then here you can get different information like previous logon, currently which client login, user and transaction and whatever and server and everything. Here you have to click on the see details. So in the see details, after you will get the list of the installed component of your system with the release number and SP level, means ki support pack level. Okay, now today as we shown, we will discuss on the STPI and STAPI plugins. Okay, so here is our main STPI. Here The release of 740 we are currently using, and our service pack level is 0017. And here a description mentioned SAP Solution Tools plugin. This last ST API, and the version mentioned 1U and 731 and SP level 0002, and the description of service tool for SAP Basic. Here whatever you plugins installed, like if you have a HR package, ABAP package, related, whatever installed package versions, you can get it from here. Okay, so this is the normal how to check component version. Now the main topic is what is STPI. Now STPI, which I already shown you in the 740, and we have the number of 007. STPI, it's same name like SAP Service Tool plugins. It's called SAP Service Tool plugin. Now what is the use of Service Tool plugins in the SAP system? In the SAP system, a system connected with each other, like if you are moving data from one report to another, and the backend system, whatever process is going on, like an example in non-technical language, if you are input some company data, and if you are taking some data from the another T code and some another RFC, in the backend whatever data transferring technique, it's related and it's based working on service tools. So this is the service tool. Nor if you don't much knowledge about that, then this is the not required, because this is the actually backend side, backside, the not required from your side. The another is ST API. ST API means service tool application plugin. So same, this is the service tool plugins only. This is the service tool application. Application means here what is our SAP S4 system, ECC S4. This called we can say this is the application. In the backend we have a HANA database, we have a different Sybase database, but inside in the front end, what application we are using, it's called application. So in the same, if you are like tracing the data, like if you are using ST12, if you are getting data like what is your backend, what is your DB size, and whatever backend system data, like if you are going input and output, it's all related based on service tool. So this is the both service tool which help to get the data from backside to front side and front side to backside. So this both component important for service tool related, and whatever SDCC and like CCMS, whatever T code and the functionality using in the backend side, it's STPI. So STPI, and what are the uses I already covered. Now how to know which version required to update means SAP always strongly recommended whatever you are performing in the system, like if you are upgrading some SAP kernel level version, if you want to upgrade some SAP Note and patches and something like that, then SAP recommended whatever you are doing, but before doing any activity you must be always up to date your STAPI and STPI plugins versions. Okay, so this is the main important, because these things already working on the backend side, and if you are on the up to date version of the STPI and STAPI, then you will get the good performance compared to other, and might be very less error free versions you will get it. So now how to know which version you have and which version you have to go, means you can easily get the version number from here status, but for this SAP have one standard program. For how to use standard program, you have to open SA38 T code. Then here this is the program name RTCC tool. This RTCC tool means SAP service tool related information. Here you have to execute. After executing, SAP provides some important information. Now this program is very important, because wherever you are upgrading any system related any changes, like if you want to perform some SP spam version, saint version, then SAP recommended always run this program and make sure all the points should be green or in the yellow mark, not required in red mark. So if you have a red mark, then try to sort out in the either green or yellow mark. Okay, so now here we just execute a program RTCC tool. It's called service preparation check. So whatever performing activity, this is the standard program you have to just execute. Now in this program SAP here mentioned updated add-on. So ST API currently which version we have in the system, you can check. Here SAP shown the version ST API, so we have to just drop down in the box ST API 1U7. Currently our system has a 1U underscore 731. What SAP suggests PI, it's the name 01V and underscore 731. So we have to go on this version. Okay, and what is the another version SAP suggests? STPI support pack, and the package number 19 and the current version 740. So here we have to check what version we have. We have 740 and 19, so we have to go to two patch level, means 18 and 19. Okay, now we have to just check this one. Okay, here SAP completely mentions service tool for application plugin NetWeaver current version, and here also SAP mentioned where to download and which package you have to download. So here SAP suggests one link, so we just going to open. But before executing service marketplace, make sure you have a SAP S user ID with download rights. So here SAP mentioned where to go, ST API. So after opening this page, you will get the detail. Here mentioned download STPI and download ST API. Okay, so here we are going to perform. First we will go STPI. Okay, support 19. We can take anyone, but here we will go through STPI. Okay, so first we will go STPI. Now here mentioned SAP same links, so we have just opened the same link STPI and ST API. Now here what SAP mentioned, just go to STPI support pack. So here we have to support pack on click. And here mentioned STPI add-on patch and the name of the file SAP K71901, whatever, we have to just select it. Support package, and here the name. Now might be you have one question in the mind, how SAP know same version, because this is the your system and this is the regular updated system, right? So this is the program backend, it is connected with service marketplace. So whenever you are executing this program, your current system matching the current version with the service marketplace version, and then at the time SAP system offered which version compatible for your system. So this is the runtime data. If you execute this program after 2 months or 6 months, the same system, but if the here a patch version updated, then here the file name will be the change, different file name like that, here 19 or something like that. So this program is connected with the SAP system. So if you don't have a SAP support, or if you are performing this operation without any SAP support, then this program will not work for you. Okay, so this is the mandatory steps if you are performing, then your OSS connection connected with this system. Okay, now here what I will do, just click here and just download. I have already downloaded, so I am not downloading again, but I am just showing how you can perform this. You just click here download. Okay, now after downloading, SAP mentioned open ST package, we download basket, release basket via maintenance. Now upload from front end into transaction SPM. Now SPAM, spam transaction. Okay, so now if you are aware about spam, then good, but if you are not aware, then I am just going a little overview of SAP make a two transaction code. One transaction it's called SPM spam, and another transaction code is sent. Okay, so see, spam means support package manager. So whenever you are require any support package manager upgradation, you have to use T-code spam. Here SAP also mentioned, look, support package. Okay, so whenever you are performing any activity in the upgradation and it is a support package, then you have to perform only using SPAM T-code, spam T-code, the short form, and the long name is support package manager. Okay, the same thing whenever you are performing any add-on upgradation, then you have to use Saint. Both T codes functionality same. Both T code functionality and upgradation, whatever steps are same. SAP make different T codes. SPAM for support package manager, Saint. Now what is the meaning of Saint? Saint means SAP add-on installation. Add-on installation. Now what is the add-on? Add-on means nothing but extra functionality. Like if you are giving an example of non-SAP, then if you are using some application like that, in the current application you are getting function, but if you want some extra facility in the same application, then you are buying or something like some add-on or something like plugins. So this is the same functionality work in SAP. If you are using the same component, but if you want to add some extra facility, then you have to install add-on. So this is the add-on. If you are installing add-on, then you have to use Saint T-code. Okay, now here we'll use support package. Now in the support package, this T-codes program, this T-code video I have already recorded on the but this is in Hindi language, so might be you are not aware, so this is the reason I am little bit covering the same here. In support package manager, how to upload any package. So you have to just go to support package. Here you have to click on the load package. In the load package, you will get the three options: SAP archive from front end, SAP archive from application, and EPS file from application. So what is the SAR archive from SAR? Whatever package in the SAP system, it's in a compressed file. Like in Windows, if you are aware about zip file, same in SAP have their own compression level. It's called SAR file. SAR file means SAP archive file, short form. So whatever we download package, it should be in the SAR file. Now what is the meaning of front end? Front end means your computer. This is our desktop. If you same placed on the application level, then you have to use SAR file archive from the application level. And the another EPS file. EPS file, electronic parcel service. So if you are directly download any package and put it on the OS level in the folder SAP user MNT, if you are aware about this path, then this is the EPS file. This all the information I have already covered on another video, but unfortunately this video was in Hindi, so might be you are not aware. But if I take on this video, then this video's length will be too much, so I am not taking much details here, but currently I am just taking from front end. Okay, now in the front end, STPI, and here we have to go to 19, but make sure we seeing the patch number 17 and the SAP suggests 19, so we have to upgrade all the patch one by one, means 17 after 18 and 19. So here what we do, we just click on the 19. SAP automatically identified and tell us. Now click on the allow button. It will take some time because right now our file uploading package on the application OS level, so it's depend on your internet connection also. Now after uploading, this is the SAR file, right? SAR file. Now automatically SAP decompress means in zip file we are extract like same. So here we will just click on the decompress. After decompress, this file will come. Okay, now after that we have to just click on the display. So display, now you will get the file name whatever you upload. Now what I told you, if you have a 17 version package and you are uploading 19, so it means 18 number package mentioned and missing. So here SAP show you not imported, but this is the prerequisite mentioned, prerequisite not fulfilled. Okay, so we have to first installed 18 package. Okay, so what we do here, we again another package also the same, which is 18. The good thing is SAP automatically identified your old package or whatever package number. So in this scenario, you don't have to worry about the package choosing. Now after uploading the second package, now we will go and check again in the display section. In the display section, here now we have two files, 18 and 19. Okay, now just go back, and what you do now, click on the define display, because your queue is empty. Now what is we are upgrading? STPI. So click on here STPI. So after click, automatically whatever you uploaded, it will come here. So we have uploaded two files, 18 and 19. Now click on here. Now we'll use second portion. So we just updated a support package using spam T code. Now we have another requirement to go to the Saint T code. Means Saint means we have to update add-ons, as I told you in the video and earlier, spam and Saint. So we have already updated successful support package manager, and now we just going to update in Saint, because both are almost same, but only the T code differentiate, method will be the same. Okay, so what is the add-on? I already told you, add-on is nothing but one type of plugins. Okay, so here whatever requirement 1v731, and in the system level if we check, then the current version is यहाँ पे STAPI 1U731. Okay, so here SAP complete mentioned what we have to follow, the same path which we have, STPI installation and upgrade. So here we just click on installation and upgrade. Here also you can get the information of STPI add-on, where to use STT code and everything. It is 2 lines definition, nothing much more. So no worry if you are not aware about this functionality. Here we have to just click on the support package and patches. So its system automatically will redirect on this package path. So again we have to just click, and whatever SAP mentioned like that. So I have already downloaded the package, so I am not again going to download. Here what SAP mentioned, you have to just use T code Saint. Okay, so we just click on the T code Saint. Okay, so this is a add-on tool mentioned, a Saint tool and the spam tool. Both functionality almost same, and whatever step we have to perform the same. So now here we have to just click on the installation package. Here we'll click on the again SAR package and whatever I already shown in the steps. Then I have already downloaded, this is the file. Okay, just click here. Now system going to upload on the OS level, wherever EPS file were posted. So now our file has been again uploaded and ready, and I told you file will be stored in EPS folder. This is the path, USR SAP trans EPS, and for more detail and video I have already made a video but in Hindi language, but you just watch one time and we will get the idea. So just click here. Now what we have to do, just click check everything is okay. Now we have to click on start. So if you click here on start package, so whatever you have uploaded package, it will come here. So we have just uploaded STAPI. Okay, and what is the target release? 1v731. Okay, so now we have to just click on the continue. here to just click on the select and continue. Now system again asking like STPI. So current there is nothing has been selected, but your calculated page, this is the package version and this is the level which we will going to install. So continue. Now in the package name, installation, STPI, again the same information, nothing. Now the same, do you want to add modification, adjustment, transport queue, which I told you is the same transport request queue. So here we will give no. Now here they gave the information before you can import OCS package, you have to read this note and everything, blah 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 blah. So here just click on the continue. Then again the same options which already came in the spam code. Here we will go through background, then OK, and then click here. Now our package is going to extracting and schedule a job. Here mention background job is scheduled start on this one. The add-on on installation is currently in phase check requirement. So currently system is checking the requirement, whatever we have uploaded, is it suitable or not. So same again, here you can just click on the refresh button. Here the status will be changed. Now add-on conflict if checking is something conflict or something like that. So this is the both the same T code, saint and spam, but SAP made a different. If you are using support package, then you have to use spam. If you are using add-on, then you have to use saint. Support add-on install SAP add-on installation. So both are the same method. Now within the 2 to 3 minutes this package also will install. The same thing here, you can check log and everything. Here just we are going to refreshing screen. So we are just wait to complete this one, and then after this completion we will complete here our video tutorial. Now again we can see here the message comes, choose logs, finish everything. So now it means our package has been successfully installed. Now we just click here on finish button. Okay, now again the same pop-up display. Here we'll check what package we have upgraded and STPI. Okay, here STPI we had 1U731. Now our package is 1V731. So it means it's successfully upgraded. Now just back again, we just go into 7 SA38 RTCC tool. Here all are in green now. So it means your package has been successfully either updated, or it means no need to update. So this is the method you can upgrade your support package, and if you want to install add-on, then this is the method in SAP people are using.